everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn the core fundamentals of JavaScript like variables, data types, arrays, functions, and loops, etc. By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of how to write and run basic JavaScript code. So let's get started. Here we can observe that let and constant are used to declare variables. Name, age, and students are basic data types like string, number, boolean. Hobbies is an array. User is an object that groups related to data. Here, name is equals to Alice. Age 25, student true. Hobbies are reading books and coding. So let us move to the functions. Functions. Here, green is a traditional function that returns a greeting. Add is an arrow function that adds two numbers. Here, const add equal to a comma b that implies a comma b. That means here a plus b will add the two numbers given by the user. For example, loops. We will move to the loops. If or else checks the condition and iterates the loop. For loop iterates through the hobbies arrays. Here we can observe that if age is greater than or equal to 18, console.log adult. If the person's age is greater than 18, he is adult. Else, if he is less than 18 years old, he is minor. Let us move to the arrays and their methods. Here, we can observe that let numbers is equal to array of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let double equal to numbers dot map n implies n into 2. Console.log doubled, comma doubled. Here, map creates a new array by applying a function to each element. Map creates a new array by applying a function to each element means it creates a new element. Double becomes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 because it is multiplied by 2. Here we can assume that n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on 5. Here we are passing the statement n into 2. So each variable is divided by 2. So we can get the output double is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So now let us move to the objects and classes. Here, animal is the class with constructor and a method. Dog extends animals overloading the speak method, demonstrates inheritance and polymorphism. Here we can say that the whole class is named as animal. And we gave a name like dog, which is related to the animal. Dog extends animal overloading, overriding the speak method. So now let us move to the scope and closures. Here we can observe that we wrote here a new variable called counter maker. Counter maker returns a function that remembers count. This is a closure. The inner function retains access to the outer scope. Function outer maker. Let count equal to 0. Return function, then count plus plus, then we are returning the count. Now let us move to the next topic, asynchronous JavaScript. Fetch data. Here we can see that function fetch data. Fetch data simulates a delayed operation using promise. Load data uses async or await to handle the promise. This is how you handle asynchronous tasks like API calls. Here we can observe that the function fetch data and some other data types like resolve, set timeout, and etc. Now let us move to the error handling. Here we are creating another variable like try. Try catch method. Try catch handles runtime errors gracefully. Throw creates a custom error. Now let us move to our next topic, JSON. JSON. JSON.stringify converts an object to a JSON string. JSON.paste converts a JSON string back to an object used for data exchange, example like APIs and so on, etc. Now our last and final topic is a regular expression. D plus slash matches one or more digits, which matches one or more digits. Test checks if the string contains digits or not. Here we can observe that the plus Here we can observe that slash slash d plus, which stimulates the more than one data. If this helped you, hit. Thanks for watching.